Hello guys, so tomorrow I'll be taking up the Har Ghar Mein Everest challenge by my mentor Arjun Vajpayee. The challenge is basically like this, that you have to ascend and descend the height of Everest, which is 8848 meters, 29,035 feet on your building staircases. I stay in a 4-floor building, so it would take me 725 times up and 725 times down to descend and ascend the height of Mount Everest. So just last year, exactly at this time, I was on my way to the real Everest, and tomorrow I'll be attempting to climb the Everest in my building. It should take me somewhere between 10 to 12 hours, I am estimating. Let's see. So I'll need all your support and encouragement for that. It's not an easy task. Yeah, very excited and looking forward to it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'll be keeping a note here. So this is the first round. So it's only the second round and I'm already sweating. The humidity, the heat, that is going to be the biggest challenge of today. Once in a while, hey, it's morning. Once in a while I am coming on the terrace to catch my breath and get some fresh air. सुबह होते होते कितना टाइम लग गया यार आज. It's bloody hot यार. I have completed around 45 times up and down. So, total 725 times करना है यार. मजा आने वाला है आज. चौड़े हो जाएंगे. It's been around 2 hours since I started the challenge. And it's so interesting to see how the mind works. The ways, the excuses it gives you to stop. It's so funny how the mind works against you in times like these. You just have to be a witness to your mind. कि ठीक है, आ रहा है और गया. आने दो, जाने दो. मेरा उससे कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. You don't have to control your mind. You just have to see it. 3 hours since I started and I've completed around 3,500 feet up and down both. I have made some nimbu pani, some lemon water with some sugar and some salt to keep me energized through this. I am taking a small break after every 1200 feet of ascent and descent. So after every 30 round I am taking a break because I think ये रात तक चलने वाला है. So I have to go slow but steady. And 100. It was not an easy task up till here, only because of the heat. Otherwise it's not a problem. I can go on throughout the day. Well, I will go on throughout the day no matter what happens. The one thing that I have learned while climbing mountains and while training for climbing mountains is how to put one step in front of the other, no matter what it takes. How to be mentally and physically capable and strong to keep just one feet in front of the other. That's all it takes. तो ऐसे जोन में पहुंच गया हूँ कि time is just rolling by. Lost the sense of time and just in a zone of putting one step in front of the other. Time भी नहीं सूझ रहा है. It's all running by. And I've climbed 5,400 feet, the height of Kalsubai, the highest peak of Maharashtra. Some healthy recovery lunch. So finally I reached the altitude of Everest base camp, 17,000 feet. Oh, it's 3 in the afternoon. 12,000 feet. Still 12,000 feet to go. Hey Bhagwan, कर दूंगा. लेकिन I have picked up the pace and I'm feeling actually more energetic right now than in the morning. So this is where the real climb begins. When you reach the base camp. Now I'll head towards the camp 1, then camp 2, then camp 3, then camp 4, then summit. No, I'm not gonna be doing rotations, okay? Yeah. This is crazy, this is madness. I've reached camp 2. It's 6 in the evening. I saw the sun rising when I started the challenge, and now it's sunset time. I'm on my rooftop to see the sunset. I'm gonna take a little bit of a rest. I've been going on all afternoon after I had lunch. Since 2 p.m. I've been going non-stop. It's 9:30 in the night and I have entered the dead zone. I've crossed the 26,000 feet mark. I'm somewhere close to 27,000 now. 2,000 feet away from the summit. And I completely forgot to log a video in the middle. Just in that zone of putting one step in front of the other. And I suddenly remembered that I need to take a video, so I took a little rest. And yeah, I think देखते कितना टाइम लगता है अभी इसको. I think 2 घंटे के अंदर हो जाना चाहिए. I'm not gonna sleep before I do this today. चलो, let's get started guys. It's just never ending यार. Never realized it would be this challenging, it would be this demanding. The only problem is that it is so hot. Baapre. Okay. Let's keep going यार, चलते रहो. $29,035 feet on these staircases. Done. I don't have much energy left to show how excited I am, to show how happy I am right now. But yeah, it's 11:30 in the night and it took me close to 20 hours to complete this challenge. Obviously there were so many moments that I thought I should give up and continue maybe tomorrow. But the one thing I have learned in the mountains is how to put one step in front of the other. When your body is giving up, your mind should take over. And when your mind is giving excuses, your body should take over. And of course, कितनी limit push करनी है, ये बहुत ही smartly जज करना होता है. But yes, here I am in 20 hours, 29,035 feet. In some ways, you know, it was much more mentally demanding than Everest. But yeah, I had fun. A big thanks to Arjun Vajpayee for coming up with this idea as a challenge. It had been a while since I had challenged myself in such a way. I don't think after Everest I have pushed myself physically and mentally so much. So yes, I could not climb a 8,000 meter peak this spring due to Corona. But when you have the staircases, why worry? Hai na? You have to make the best of what you have right now, and that's what we all are doing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are planning to take on this challenge, do two things. Focus on hydration. It is very important because it is extremely hot right now in India. And the other thing, don't fall off while you are climbing up and down the stairs, okay? गिर जाओगे, सर फोड़ोगे, हाथ तोड़ोगे, पैर तोड़ोगे, ऐसे काम नहीं करने. Yeah, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, I'll see you soon. Thank you.